In this video, we will see how to edit positioning data. In the Position tab, you can find different ways of editing or filtering positioning data. From GPS antenna offset, we can correct the GPS path based on the distance between the GPS antenna and the GPR probe. We can filter the data based on the number of satellites, therefore keeping only the data that were collected using the specified number of satellites and above in the slices. As the signal quality can change during data collection, we can also set a minimum GPS signal quality, where data points with a quality less than the defined threshold will be removed from the time slices. It is possible to have lags between GPR and GPS data points, and therefore the GPR data will be offset from their real location in time slices. This can be corrected by setting the time lag value. Positioning points can also be edited manually by selecting a certain line from the measurement section and clicking on the Edit Line tool from the toolbar. The current trajectory line with points has appeared on the slice view for the selected measurement line, which can be adjusted by clicking and dragging the points to the desired locations. When ready, click Done on the toolbar to apply. Each point can be restored to its original location at any time, and points can also be disabled.